morning students. Myself Rachna Shukla welcomes you to YouTube channel of Gyan Manjari Modern School. Today we are going to start with subject maths standard 8 and our ongoing lesson was lesson number 2 exponents. In the previous two parts, this is the third part of our chapter, that is lesson 2 exponents. In the previous two parts we studied about what is power, what is base and the simple sums of simplification of the numbers. Then in the next part we studied about law. The first law was the law or the rule of multiplication. How if we have the same base, the powers can be added. Now the second rule, today we will study some more rules of exponents. In that the second rule is rule number 2, x to the power a divided by x to the power b will give x to the power a minus b, which means this is the rule of division. If we have same base, what is the base here? Same, x and x. Then we will take x as common. See here, we have taken x as common and the powers will get subtracted. Divide means subtracted and multiplication means add. We have seen the rule 1 in which multiply was there, and so multiplication means add and divide means subtract. So if the bases are same x, then the powers will be subtracted in case of division. Now let's see an example. So your rule 1 which we have already done in previous part, this is rule 2. You have to write these rules in your fair book. Rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4, there are many rules which we will see in this part. So this is rule 2. Please note down rule 1 and rule 2 in your fair book and examples in example book. Starting with example number 12. So examples in example book. Your example 12 is 2 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power 2. Now see here. One is 2 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power 2. This rule will be applicable here. Same base. We have same base 2 and 2. So we will take 2 as common. Only one time. 2 as common. And the powers will be subtracted. That means minus 5 minus 2. Why minus 2? Because divide. So divide means here minus. Minus 5 will remain as it is. So your answer will be minus minus plus. The numbers will be added. 5 plus 2, 7. But minus 7. What will be your answer? 2 to the power minus 7. 2 to the power minus 7. Why? Minus minus plus. But negative sign will be there. That is 2 to the power minus 7 will be the answer. Let's see another sum. B number, in this only, this was 12A. Now I will show you 12B. Please note down the sum in your example book and the rules in your fair book. 12B. The question is 2 upon 3 to the power minus 6 divided by 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2. Now, by seeing the sum you will get afraid. It's very hard sum. No, it's not the hard sum. It's very easy. See, look at the base. 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Same base. So, you will write only one time. That is 2 upon 3. Okay, this rule. We are solving the sums of rule number 2. 2 upon 3, only one time. And the powers. Minus 6, minus 2. Why here minus? Because divide sign. So here it will be minus. Minus 6 divide So minus and minus 2. Powers will be subtracted. I repeat, your powers will be subtracted and the sign before powers will remain as it is. So let's do this. Minus minus plus. Once again look here. Minus minus plus. Minus 6 plus 2. See the next step. Minus minus plus is equal to, now the final answer, minus plus minus. So both will be subtracted and it will be minus 4. Why minus 4? Because 6 is a bigger integer and it carries a negative sign. So your answer will be negative. That will be minus 4. Your answer will be 2 upon 3 raised to minus 4. Now going to the next sum. Please copy in your example book. Now going to start with rule number 3. Your rule number 3 is x to the power a whole to the power b is equal to x a into b. See, look here, this is rule number 3. Rule number 3 you will write in your fair book. This rule you will write in your fair book. You will make a new page. First you will write rule number 1, then rule number 2 and rule number 3. If x to the power a whole to the power b is equal to, you will multiply both these powers. A into b. AB means a into b. AB means a multiplied by b. So your powers will be multiplied. See, let's see the sums. Example 13. And that also a. Your question is 2 raised to minus 3 whole raised to 2. Then 13b is 2 upon 3 raised to minus 3 raised to minus 2. Now let's see these two sums, that is example 13 according to rule number 3. Powers will be multiplied. Look here, 2 raised to minus 3 whole raised to 2. That means this both will be multiplied with each other. 2 raised to 3 2s are 6. That will be minus 6. You will get your answer as minus 6. 3 2s are 6 but negative sign, so minus 6. Very simple, no? Then here, look here, 2 upon 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power minus 2. Then both this will be, the powers will be multiplied with each other. 3 2s are 6. So your answer will be 6. Minus minus plus. So it will carry a positive sign. 3 2s are 6 and minus minus plus. So your answer will be 2 upon 3 whole raised to 6. This is example 13. Note down in your example book. Then we will see rule number 4. Now rule number 4. See, your rule number 4 is A. Rule number 4. X to the power A multiplied by y to the power A. Now in this rule what you can see common? You can see the powers common, that is A and A. Both these powers are common, A and A. The base are different, X and Y are different, powers are common. So you will put here power as common and multiply the base. The base will be multiplied and power will be common here like this way. Let's see in the sum. Example 14a. 2 to the power minus 4 into 3 to the power minus 4. Then B number is 3 upon 5 to the power 4 into 1 upon 2 to the power 4. Two sums are there. Example 14a and B. In the first one, 2 to the power minus 4 into 3 to the power minus 4. So base are different. 2 and 3. The bases are different, but powers are same, minus 4 and minus 4. So what will happen? 2 into 3 to the power minus 4. You will multiply both these things and write minus 4 as common. Then multiply these both things. 2 3s are 6 to the power minus 4. This will be your answer. 2 3s are 6 to the power minus 4. Now let's see this sum. 3 upon 5 to the power 4 into 1 upon 2 to the power 4. Same thing. Multiply both these things. And 4 as common, only 1 4. Then 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10 to the power 4. Like this way. This will be your answer. Okay. So this was rule number 4. Now we will see rule number 5. You have to note down all these examples in your example book. Start writing with me itself in your example book and rules in your fair book. Rule 5. X to the power A divided by y to the power A is equal to x upon y to the power A. See this rule. Now in this rule, rule number 5, x to the power A divide y to the power A is equal to, what will happen to this? X and y are different bases, but we have common powers, A and A, the same powers. Okay, so x and y will be divided. See, x and y will be divided and the power will remain as it is, that is A, or the common power. This is rule number 5. Let's see the example of rule number 5. That is example 15. A. 2 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 to the power minus 4. Then example 15b. 3 upon 5 to the power 4 divided by 1 upon 2 to the power 4. Now the first one, see the bases the different bases and the powers are same. So divide it. How to divide? 2 upon 3 to the power minus 4. Like this way you will solve your sum. And here what will happen? Divide this both things. 3 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2 to the power 4. Like this way you will solve your sum. Okay, note down this sum in your example book. Now, in this part we have studied all the 5 rules, the first rule in the previous part and the 4 rules in this part. Now we will see some of the sums of simplification, that is all the rules we will use together. So rules are over and starting with the simplification sums. Example 16, A number, 3 upon 4 to the power 3 into 3 upon 4 to the power 2. Now look here. 3, simplify, you have to simplify. 3 upon 4 to the power 3 into 3 upon 4 to the power 2. You can see that the bases are same and multiplication sign. So powers will be added. Let's add the powers. 1 time 3 upon 4 up 3 plus 2. See, both are same, so we will write down 1 time and 3 plus 2. Why plus? Because multiplication sign is there. So your answer will be 3 plus 2 is 5. But your sum is not completed here. Here you will now evaluate your sum. Means 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 also 5 times. So by multiplying this, what you will get? You will get 243 upon 1024. This is your final answer of this. 243 upon 1024. Next sum. 16b. 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 into 2 upon 3 to the power 4. Now in this sum, again bases are same. So you will write 1 time the base and here multiplication sign, powers will be added. So minus 2 plus 4. Now minus plus minus, but sign will be greater. Sorry. 2. Why 2? Plus minus minus, that is 4 minus 2, 2. But positive 2 because here plus is with 4. 2, now evaluate. 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3. 2 times. Because 2 will be here also, 2 will be here also. 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. Your answer will be 4 upon 9. Please write down the sums in your example book. Then we will start with next sum. Next sum 16C. Is 1 upon 2 raised to minus 3 into 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2. Again same basis. We have same basis. So 1 upon 2 same and the powers will be added. Now minus plus minus and minus minus will be plus. So this both will be added. That is answer will be 5 but minus 5. What will be your answer as 1 upon 2 raised to minus 5. Now if we want to evaluate this, we will reciprocal this. That will be 2 upon 1 raised to 5. If we want to make this positive sign, then reciprocal this number. That will be 2 upon 1 raised to 5. Now evaluate 5 times 2 because here it is 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That will be 32. Your answer will be 32. Please note down. Now we will see example 17. A is also simplification, and in that we will see 3 raised to minus 4 divided by 3 raised to minus 2. Look here, 3 raised to minus 4 divided by 3 raised to minus 2. Both these are common, bases are common. So write one time, and this will be subtracted powers minus 4 minus minus 2. Like this way. Minus 4 divided will be minus minus 2. Now what will happen? Minus minus plus 2. Then minus plus minus. I repeat once again, minus plus is minus 2. Because 4 carries a negative sign. So here it will be minus 2. 3 to the power minus 2 will be your answer, but you have to evaluate it. So changing the negative sign will become 1 upon 3 raised to 2. You can write this by this way also. It is the reciprocal. I taught you reciprocal in the previous videos. So 3 to the power minus 2 will become 1 upon 3 square. That means 1 upon 3 into 3 will give you answer as 1 upon 9. You will get your answer as 1 upon 9. Now 17b. Upon 4 to the power 6 divided by 3 upon 4 to the power 3. So 17b. Bases are same. 3 upon 4 one time. Powers are different. So 6 minus. Why minus? Here it is divide sign. 3 equal to 3 to the power 6 minus 3 will be 3. Now evaluate 3 into 3 into 3 upon 4 into 4 into 4. 3 cube is 27 and 4 cube is 64. This is your answer. Note down. The last sum of our lecture, 17C. Upon 7 to the power 3 divided by 4 upon 7 to the power 5. Now, same base, so 4 upon 7. Different powers, so 3 minus 5. This 3 will be here, divide will be minus, and this will be 5. So, 3 minus 5 will be minus 2. All of you know that 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Now, to evaluate this, you have to do the reciprocal to change the sign of minus 2. Okay, so your reciprocal will be 7 upon 4 raised to 2. This will be your reciprocal. Now, evaluate 7 into 7 upon 4 into 4. That will be 49 upon 16. Your answer will be 49 upon 16. Please note down everything in your example book. Now it's time for your homework. So you have to do your homework in your fair book. I am noting down the homework here. Lesson number 2, exercise 2B, question 1, 2 and 3. What is your homework? Lesson number 2, exercise 2B, question number 1, 2 and 3 in your fair book. Okay students, and if you have any doubt regarding any question, you can ask me in our WhatsApp group. So do your homework properly, neatly and correctly in your fair book. Click the photo and paste it in the WhatsApp group. We will meet in the next video with continuation of this chapter. Till then, thank you and bye bye.